Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3B, and our subject is science. I hope all of you are keeping well, and I hope you have already successfully completed first unit test. And from today we are going to start our half yearly section, and this section will start from the chapter number 3. And in this chapter we will discuss animals such as birds. So today's topic is introduction, common Indian birds, body parts of bird. So birds are one of the most beautiful and colorful animals on the earth. They live in different habitats according to their needs. So you have to know what is habitat. Habitat means a place occupied by a particular species of animal or plant to live in. Clear? Okay. Now you have to know they possess various features that make them different from other animals. We are the animals and we are the human beings also the animals. So the birds possess various features that make them different. Suppose birds can fly, but human beings, we can't fly. So this is the feature of a bird which is different from the another animal. These features help them to fly, what I have said, eat their food, build their nests. Nests, their home, live in different places. Now we are going to show you some pictures of birds, and we have shown this picture on the previous day. There are some circles in this picture, and these birds we are used to see around us in daily basis. So first one is pigeon, sparrow, dove, raven, cuckoo, parrot, hen, owl, duck, swan, goose, sometimes crow. Obviously in daily basis we can see crow around us, eagle, myna, etc. All these birds we can see around us. Okay, and the rest of the birds you can see in the zoo, in the forest. Okay, you can see, if you go to the Alipur Zoo you can see the all types of birds, different birds, and they are looking very beautiful. You will be mesmerized. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the body parts of a bird. So this is our bird. So you have to know about the body parts about this bird. So this is head. Okay, this is beak. This is wings. This is obviously eye. This portion, this is feathers. This is not the body parts, this is feet, and this portion this sharp portion is called claws. I will show you the picture of claws. This is leg and this is tail, right? If you see it, this is the bird, and I think this bird is known as pigeon. So what is the difference between the what is the difference between the uh, a human being and a bird? They have so so what is the main difference between an animal such as a human being and a bird? A bird, they don't have teeth, instead they have a beak, right? They have two holes, two holes they have two holes. This is called nurse or nostrils, located where this nostrils located, this nostrils located on their beaks, here nostrils located, and through which these two nostrils, there are two nostrils through which they can breathe. Through these nostrils they can breathe. You know, this is the another picture. This is the picture of claws. Their feet have claws, so this is the claws. Their feet have claws for catching and holding things, for catching and holding things, right? Now we have to know what helps a bird to fly. Birds can fly with the help of their wings. I already told you what is the basic features and the different which possess various features that make them different from other animals. They have wings, right? They have wings. So what helps a bird to fly? Birds can fly with the help of their wings, but they need other things as well. They have strong muscles. They have strong muscles to move their wings. So they have strong muscles to move their wings, and this is the one of the important characteristic that a bird has. We use muscles to do our work. In that manner, in that same manner, birds use their muscles to move their wings. Okay, that's why he or she can fly. So now the next part. So birds, the first part is the birds have wings. How to operate? They have strong muscles. They have strong muscles to move their wings, right? And strong flight muscles to which their wings are attached, or you can say the strong muscles to move their wings. The another features, they have light and fluffy feathers. They have light and fluffy feathers. I hope you have seen a feather. When you have seen a feather, you must have seen that it is very light in weight, right? Even if you blow a feather, it will fly away. These light feathers helps them to fly. So this is another feature. The next feature, they have light and hollow bones. They have light and hollow bones. The bones of the bird is not steep like ours, like us, not us. So it is hollow from inside. Hollow means there is some gap or space in between that make their bone light. So it is called the hollow bones. The birds have the hollow bones. Hollow, that's why it is very light in weight. So they have light and hollow bones, that's why he or she can fly very easily. They have the another feature, this is stream line or boat shaped body. Boat shaped body, you know, the boat. Okay, they have boat shaped body, or you can say streamline shaped body. This characteristic help them to fly easily. Streamline body or boat shaped body helps bird to fly easily in air by reducing resistance by air. Okay, so now you have to tell me why a bird can fly. So you have to write by yourself. I am repeating again, birds can fly because they have strong muscles to move their wings. They have light and fluffy feathers, light hollow bones, and they have, most importantly, streamlined body, or you can say boat shaped body. So he or she can fly easily in the sky. Okay, so today that's all for today, and the next day we will discuss about the beak of a bird, and we will see different types of beaks for different birds. So thank you. So I am giving you an SW, so you have to write the the answer of this question, how a bird can fly. So you have to write this question by yourself. I already have discussed the features of the birds, so you have to write these ones. Okay, so thank you and see you on the next day.